Earth is spinning right now, very fast. We don't feel it. But if Earth suddenly stopped spinning, everything would break. Section 1. Earth is always moving. Earth spins once every 24 hours. This gives us day and night. At the equator, Earth spins at about 1,600 kilometers per hour. Everything on Earth moves with it. The air, the oceans, you. This motion feels normal until it suddenly stops. Section 2. The instant disaster. If Earth stopped spinning instantly, nothing else would stop. Cities would fly sideways. Buildings would collapse. People would be thrown at extreme speeds. Winds would move faster than hurricanes. Oceans would rush across continents. This alone would destroy most life in seconds. Section 3. The oceans reshape the planet. Right now, Earth's spin keeps water spread evenly. Without spinning, water moves toward the poles. Massive floods hit land, entire continents disappear underwater. New oceans form near the poles. Land near the equator dries out. The map of Earth changes forever. Section 4. One side burns, one side freezes. If Earth stopped spinning but still rotated around the sun, one side would face sunlight for months. The other side would stay dark. The bright side becomes extremely hot. The dark side becomes freezing cold. Most plants and animals cannot survive this. Weather systems completely collapse. Section 5. Gravity and time change, Earth's shape would change. It would become more round instead of slightly flat. Gravity would feel stronger in some places, weaker in others. Even time would feel different. Days would no longer be normal. Life loses its rhythm. Section 6. Could humans survive? Most humans would not survive the first day. A small number might survive, deep underground, in controlled environments, with advanced technology. But growing food would be almost impossible. Earth would no longer support civilization. Section 7. The final truth. Earth's spin is not optional. It controls weather, oceans, gravity, life. If Earth stopped spinning, the planet would not slowly change. It would instantly become hostile. If one invisible motion keeps life alive on Earth, how many other things do we depend on without even realizing it?